Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look what just came in the mail right here. The new Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're going to be doing an unboxing right now. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so exciting. Hey, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing a lot of related items with this Galaxy S25 Ultra. And everything that is filmed right now is with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And after I get this bad boy all set up, probably in about a week with the new screen protector from Whitestone Dome glass protector and a eye-blazing phone case, we're going to be filming everything with the new Galaxy S25 Ultra. So yeah, let's take a look here. All right, see if I can open this first. Put a slice here, there. All right, a little bit more. All right. Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a lot of cool reviews on this phone. Will you take a look at this? First of all, let's see if there's anything else inside this box here. Usually they have some little pen tool or something like that in here. It's like a, I don't know, almost like a paperclip type of thing. I think it's way in there. And yeah, I just ordered this about a week ago and it came in the mail and just came in the mail today. Yeah, like right now I am filming with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you take a look at all my videos on this channel and also my Lampo film channel, they're all going to be with the Galaxy, most of them are going to be with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and then I'm going to start filming with this one here. So you get one of these cords here. Let's take a look. I did order the black, and it's not coming out that easy. That's all right. I should probably take my time on this, but that thing is really in there. Okay, now it's coming out. Let's get a little close-up action there. Beautiful. Nice. And then right here is a little cover on the screen, so I'm going to take that off. Ooh, first time. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like everything is nice and shiny. It's got the two buttons right here. Now this is this case right here. This is for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm going to be using a black one. I like the red one. It's pretty cool, but I'm going to be using the black one. But I really like these phone cases from iBlazin because they have that cover with the that covers the lens right here. So pay attention to. I actually have a couple review videos using a dummy, but here is the real phone. That's the real one. Yeah, it's actually very light, very light. But I don't know. I want to, before I start using it, I want to make sure I put a Whitestone Dome glass protector on here, a tempered glass. And so I'll be doing a video on that. And then I'll be getting the iBlazin S25 Ultra armor box. And we'll be putting that with it. So that's what I'm always using. Gives it a well protection, and I don't have to worry about breaking anything on it. So let's take a little look at the bottom. Here's the pen tool. Oh, it's white. I think the other, like my other one, is kind of like gray or something like that. This one's actually white. No, yeah, there's a clicky thing right there. And got your door right here. Put my little card there, so I'm loving it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because we're going to be doing a lot of cool videos on the new Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung Galaxy. All right, talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.